going to be doing the Fall Slime Art Challenge. It's going to be super duper fun. Let's get right into it. So how this challenge works is we have all of our slime ingredients right here. Like glue, activator, food coloring, different accessories that we can add to our slime. And we are going to be making our slimes, coloring our slimes, and trying to create whatever object we pull out of this bucket. So we have lots of slips of paper on here. They all have different objects. We're just going to draw it. Whatever we get, we have to try to recreate. At the end of each round, we will be having a judge come and decide which one of ours looks most like that object. Also, feel free to comment down below which one you think won. And we're super excited to start this video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel down below. We'd really love that. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We post every Friday. And let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we are going to be doing rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick the first item. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Aww. Okay,
I always pick scissors.
She does pick scissors most of the time. Tip for you, if you ever somehow have to do rock, paper, scissors with Elsie, she always throws scissors.
I don't know why. I just do.
Okay, pick your item. I mean, our item. We're both going to be doing the same item.
Alright, let's see. Be
What
a
is
good
it?
one. Please be a pumpkin.
No, it's pie! So our
close enough
first
to a
round is
pumpkin.
pie. You probably can't see this. Pie. So we're going to be recreating some pie. We also have these plates, and this is where our final product is going to be going. This is like our little canvas, kind of. And then we have bowls and mixing stuff. So let's start and make our slime. Okay guys, so we're super excited. It's time to start making our creations. Let's go. So I'm going to start with my pie crust, I guess. It's really good. My base slime is super good.
Yeah.
I kind of overactivated it and then I had to go rinse it under hot water, but it's perfect now. It's a perfect consistency that I was looking for. So now it is time to start making our pies. I'm super excited. I have a whole plan.
I have no plan at all. I have no idea.
I have it all planned out and I'm super excited to do this. And in the end, we are going to be mixing our pie together and seeing what
all
color
of our slimes.
Yes, all of our slimes, because we're going to be doing 2 or 3 rounds. So we're super excited. Let's go! It looks kind of weird on the camera, but oh my goodness, the camera makes it like orange. In real life, it's more of like a peachy tan color. Like the crayon that it looks like is peach.
Okay, I'm gonna make some.
I got my pie color done, and I got.
other stuff isn't a pie. So.
This is my pie.
And then I'm just gonna add this stuff together.
We're gonna go get our dad to judge our pies. Be back. Hey guys, so our dad, the judge, is here, and he is going to pick which one of these looks more like a pie. This one?
Or this one.
Oh, okay, I'm getting it. Yeah, that definitely looks like a slice of pie. This looks like a nice cookie. What are you going for again?
A pie.
Okay, the judge has decided.
Okay, which one's the winner?
You don't want the cookie, right?
The pie, the one that looks most like a pie wins.
Pie, cookie.
Thank you! I said!
Mine looks nothing like a pie.
So he said mine looks like a pie and Elsie's looks like a cookie. Either way, pie or cookie, it is time to mix these up. Just take one more glorious look at
No, you don't mix them up until the end.
Wait, to mix these up. So this is one last glorious look at the winner of this round, according to my dad. But you guys can vote below if you think Elsie's looks more like a pie.
Mine looks more like a pie.
Do this. Let us pick these up and see
Ready?
what happens. Ready? Ooh, look at that! I want to see what color it turns out. Mine's going to be like an orange slime.
That's so cool. Look at that.
So guys, mine just ended up as like this orangey slime. Pretty nice.
Mine doesn't look fall
A
at all.
fall color.
Fall at all. Hey,
Fall color. Okay, on to the next round. I'm super excited. I think we're just going to do 2 rounds unless we get a tie. Then we're going to have to do a tiebreaker. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm going to pick the last round. Ready? It is a leaf.
Oh, that's gonna be so hard.
So it has to be a fall colored leaf, obviously. But we're going to be making a leaf for our last round, possibly, unless we get a tie. So let's make ourselves some leaves.
made it not stretchy so that it will stay in its shape.
So I got this really nice orange slime, this really nice yellowy slime, and then a dark slime for the stem. We're going to assemble our leaves and then we'll get back.
star to me, but Joy thought it looked like a leaf. So
Yeah, it looks like a
win.
leaf. Comment down below. Elsie's looks like a leaf.
Or comment down below what you think mine looks like. Also comment down below who you think won.
Yes, but now it's time to go get the judge. I'll go get the judge. We'll be right back.
Oh, Jesus, love is bubbling over.
Yay! Our judge is here, so final look at our leaves. Okay. Which one do you think looks more like a leaf?
Leaves have different colors. That one has more detail. Not sure if they're quite as blotchy, so they are pretty solid. I'm gonna have to go with some more detail.
Yeah! Joy won.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hey guys, so I won to my dad's eyes, but you guys need to comment down below if you think this one or Elsie's one, which she destroyed hers. Before we can even do
And
a
I just-
stretch. So let's stretch these out. Ready? Stretch.
Okay, now we're adding our slime together. Ready? Ready?
Wait, no, we have to do a slime 5.
Slime 5, ready? Put
Okay,
our slime
I got
together.
our leaf slime,
Ready?
and I got my pie slime. Ready?
I already put them together. Now we both do it at the same time. Ready?
No.
Okay, fine. We gotta do it.
Now I
at
have my extra orange and my extra brown.
Right. Now we all add them all together. Ready? 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 Slime 5. Ready? Look at my slime. Ready? 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 No. Ready?
I don't want to mix
No,
it with
ready?
yours. What's a mess?
Ready?
No.
Ready? Yeah!
You ruined my
Hey!
slime.
It actually got rippy. Mine didn't.
Oh. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's super fun making it. I did win!
But
Yay!
I won in the comments! Yay!
We'll see about that. So make sure to comment down below who you think won this challenge. Either me.
Or me. I won. I have a mustache too.
And we will guys see you guys next Friday. Bye! It's stuck to my nose! Why did I do that? Ah!
I think it's on my finger.
It's stuck to my hand. 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 Never get stuck to the table.